Bitcoin is pumping today close to around $78,000 or so. So today that just inspired me to talk about why I don't actually love when Bitcoin's price goes up. So I say it all the time, but I think the least interesting thing about Bitcoin is its price. So when the price goes up, it's a double-edged sword because yes, you are increasing in your ability to purchase things with Bitcoin, but on the other hand, it brings a lot of unwanted aspects as well. One unwanted aspect is each dollar you exchange, you're getting less Bitcoin, less sats per dollar. So I get this like feeling of dread and like, did I stack hard enough, right? Did I buy enough Bitcoin, while the price was suppressed? And the other part of it is just the way people like treat Bitcoin differently or talk to you differently about Bitcoin. Because when the price starts going up, right, people will start reaching out to me and, saying, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? They're more curious about it. But the best time to learn about Bitcoin is when the price is down, right? Because it's when you can accumulate the most, and it's when you can be the most level-headed and evaluate Bitcoin for what it is, right? Right, if you're texting me about Bitcoin when the price is pumping, I know you're just in it for the money, which is like ironic because when it's pumping is, the worst time to buy. But like in my perspective, even when the price is pumping and going to new all-time highs, it's like the question you are asking me, should I buy Bitcoin, is should I exchange fiat dollars, right? Dollars printed out of thin air for Bitcoin, right? A unit of money which no one can create more of ever. So yeah, I generally think it's a good idea to exchange something infinite, like theoretically infinite, for something scarce. But I know you're in it for the wrong reasons because you're reaching out to me just because the price is going up. And I don't think that's interesting, right? I don't think Bitcoin's price measured in dollars is interesting at all. Right? It has some relevance to my life, but it's not interesting. What's interesting to me about Bitcoin is its property as money and solving the problem of fiat currency and how fiat currency has devastated our lives, right? I don't really care about the price. Yes, I care about the price in some aspect, but it's just not interesting to me, right? It's not interesting to me to speculate on what people think Bitcoin is worth measured in dollars, right? And of course, the price is a measure of sentiment and people's view on Bitcoin, which is important. But like I said, I know you're not in it for the sound money revolution. So I don't have advice for someone asking me if they should buy Bitcoin without really understanding what it is, why it was created, and what problem Bitcoin aims to solve, right? That's the main thing. That's why I'm here. I'm not here to buy Bitcoin in hopes of exchanging it for more dollars in the future, right? I'm in Bitcoin because I'm passionate about educating people about monetary history and sound monetary principles and the positive impact that can have on everyone and the equality that it can bring to workers and savers. So, yeah, it's great in some ways when the price pumps. You get a little hit of dopamine, but you get the fear that you didn't stack hard enough, and then you get the texts and DMs from people who don't necessarily know what they're actually asking you. So, yes, I think, I just don't have an answer, right? Because you haven't been here during the down periods of Bitcoin and studying it. So I really don't have an answer for you on whether you should buy Bitcoin if you haven't done the homework. It'll be impossible to understand because you're viewing Bitcoin as a stock, right? You're viewing it as a stock where you buy it and sell it. You try to buy it at the right time and sell it at the right time and time the market, and you're going to try to make a profit and, use that profit to upgrading your lifestyle in some way. And there's nothing inherently wrong with that, right? That's not inherently a bad pursuit. but like you're missing the revolution here, right? You can try to trade Bitcoin all day, but you're missing what Bitcoin truly is and the potential it has to change society and how people store and exchange value with each other, right? That's what the revolution is here. It's to transform money. Money is how we exchange, store, and measure value, right? It's that simple. And Bitcoin is a better form of money than fiat. So again, should I buy Bitcoin? I don't think it's a bad idea to exchange fiat dollars printed out of thin air for Bitcoin. But like, if you're asking me, when you should buy, when you should sell, I literally don't have an answer because I don't think about it that way. So if you want that kind of advice, go somewhere else. I'm not the person that's going to provide that. So yeah, that was just my little rant today. And it's cool to see Bitcoin pumping, but like I said, it's just a double-edged sword. So I think that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for the support on the daily uploads. Just leave a like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. That really helps me stay motivated to show up here every day for myself and for you guys watching. If you want to get some Bitcoin for yourself, my recommendation is River or Strike. Those are two great Bitcoin exchanges. And if you want to join a community of Bitcoiners, learn more about like the security aspect of Bitcoin, how to make sure you keep your Bitcoin for the long term, I'll leave a referral link to the Maple Bitcoin School. Those guys are, more expert than I am in terms of things like that. So that's a great place to go if you want to learn more about really, more technical aspects of Bitcoin. But as always, together, let's work, save, and build a better future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.